Alright, so here are the choices, and I'll allow you to write them.
Alright. So 3.7 is our
Yeah, right, it's the family math too, give yourself a little more room. Alright, so our estimate was about 3.71, or 3.72 actually.
Too big.
Let me know that's a little too big. Alright, what's the first choice? 2e minus 2.
So that's like around maybe 5.4 or 5.5, and then minus 2 would be 3.4.
Okay.
So that's
Alright.
could be possible.
Okay. Can't really eliminate that.
Yep.
Alright.
2e.
2e. Or not 2e. Alright.
Well, we know that's going to be bigger than 4. Easy is 2.7. So we can eliminate that because it's bigger than this.
Okay.
We know that this is too big. So if a choice is bigger than something that's too big, we know we can't have it.
Alright, we couldn't eliminate that, but we can eliminate that. Okay. Next one is e over 2 minus 1.
Well, this seems too small. Because e over 2, we said, well, it's about, I guess, 1.36,
Alright.
which seems way too small.
Well,
And then minus 1, so it's actually
0.36.
0.36, it's even smaller.
Yeah, so that seems too small because we were only adding on that tiny sliver.
Okay, so we had a graph that sort of looked like this. Can we be sure that this area is bigger than 0.36? How could we check?
Well, we can just use this rectangle.
Alright, how
So
long
we
is
just
that
divide
rectangle?
It's just a 1 by 2.
Alright.
So we know it's bigger than 2.
Yeah, we know the area is definitely bigger than 2.
Bigger than 2 and less than that.
Alright, so we got e over 2 minus 1 can be eliminated.
E minus 1 over 2.
E minus 1 over 2.
Also looks like it's going to be too small. So
It's about
that's
1.72 over 2,
so that's
and it's already less than 2, so we know.
Okay.
And
Eliminate
then
that.
E minus
That.
1 is also too small.
It's 1.71.
Okay.
So it looks like our only choice that even makes sense here is 2e minus 2.
Okay. So how about that? The reason I wanted to do this is it's kind of an interesting estimation exercise, but also I would say they did a bad job on the choices here.
Because none of the choices even made sense.
Well, one of them made
except,
sense.
Except for the right one.
So, but the interesting thing is the area is actually exactly equal to 2e minus 2, which is kind of a surprise, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, like, so there must be some way you can actually calculate this area exactly. We don't know what that is yet.
It's calculus, probably.
But, well, this is the
Yes,
AP calculus test.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a good guess that it would be calculus. But there you go. So, like, I was glancing at this problem last night, and I noticed all the choices were poor because the 4 of the 5 choices are obviously wrong. And one of them is right. So it's good. So you can answer a question like this, or you can make sense of a question, even if you don't understand it, by drawing a picture, just doing a little bit of estimating. And our estimate was that the area was a little bit less than 3.72, and it turns out the exact area is around, whatever that is, 3.4, 3.5. So our estimate was actually pretty good. And that's knowing nothing, right?
Mm-hmm. Not even using a calculator.
Not even using a calculator. So, alright. Good job, guys.